Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will make magnesium smoothie with banana and spinach. If you are feeling fatigue, anxiety, irritability or got achy muscles, then this delicious magnesium rich smoothie is good for general well-being including energy and sleep. It can help to clean the body and smooth the achy muscle. Ingredients: 2 cups spinach, 1 banana and 1 glass of almond milk. Add all the ingredients in a blender and also add 1 bowl of ice cube and blend it for 1-2 minutes until it gets smooth. Spinach is the best source of magnesium that helps to maintain healthy heart, immune system, metabolism and blood pressure. Banana is high in metabolism that helps to lower the blood pressure and blood sugar. Almond milk contains rich amount of magnesium that is necessary to maintain blood pressure. If you like this video, so please hit the like button. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.